Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Stephanie and I'm the owner of Technify Academy. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to arrange your categories and how to put a category, like how to arrange both subcategories, that is putting a category under an actual category. For example, the way you clicked on this appearance, all these ones, theme, customize, widget, menu, generate spreads, theme file editor comes out. Exactly the way you put all these categories under appearance, and the way you create that appearance itself. So now let's go. We are going to be using menus. When you click on appearance in your WordPress dashboard, click on menu. Now that you have clicked on menu and if you want to add any particular category or any particular page into your menus, your footer menu or your header menu, first of all you come here, click on it. If it's your header menu you want to add it, click on top header and click on select. Once you have clicked on select, that means everything you're arranging now is going to appear in your top header. So now you're going to click on this, click on disclaimer, you click on add menu. Once you add it to menu, it is going to appear here, and when it appears here you click on save changes. So now after doing that, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to do it. So now let's see how you can arrange category under the category. This is how it's done. It's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself much. You just, if you want to put this author under about us, you hold it, you take it to the right, drag it to the right. You understand? That's how it's done. Then if you want to put this job as well, you drag it to the right. But if you want to put, you drag it to the right. If you want to put scholarship under jobs, you will drag scholarship like this. It becomes a subcategory for jobs. If you want to drag loans and grants under scholarship, you drag it this way. It becomes a subcategory for scholarship. That is, when you click on jobs, under jobs you're going to find scholarship. When you click on scholarships, under scholarships you're going to find loans and grants. But if you don't want it to be like this, you just want to arrange other ones under, let's assume you want to arrange it under home. That is you arranging your your categories. Just slide it this way, slide it this way, slide it this way. You get? I'm actually customizing with phone, that's why it looks as if it's a bit difficult, but as you can see, I know this is self-explanatory. This is how it's going to appear in your top header. So when you click on it, after doing it, you go to save changes. If you click on save changes, you will go here and visit your site. Once you visit your site, you will see that it appears that exact way in your header menu. If you want it to be the same way in your footer menu, click here, click on footer menu, then click select. When you select it, you repeat the same process you did for the header menu, and it will be done. It's as simple as that. Once you are done, anything you do, make sure you click to save changes, or if you don't click it, it's not going to appear in your website. You have to click on save changes. So I don't want to do it. I just want my pages to remain this way. So that is it. So guys, that is all for this video. But I have something else I want to tell you guys. This is going to be an additional something. You want to arrange loans and grants. You want to arrange it in, maybe the shorter ones will be up, will be above, and the longer ones will be below. Now what you will do is, like this now that they are, you know that privacy policy is a bit long. You take it, you hold it, take it down, put it under jobs. You get? Is a bit longer than scholarships as well. Take it down, put it under scholarships. I'm saying if you want to arrange it in this manner, but if you don't want to arrange it in this manner, you can leave it that way. Then you take about us under jobs, take auto under jobs, then take home under jobs. Now you see that it is in a well arranged order, that the shortest is above and the longest is way below. So that is how it's done. Meanwhile, this is not how I want mine to be. I want all my categories to be in the same place. So I want all my categories to be in the same place. So this is it, while the rest remain here. So now, after doing this will be all for the video. I'm going to be doing some other tricks that I learned about this particular menus categories. I'm going to be showing you some other tricks that you need to know about them as well. So this will be all for the video, guys. If you found this very helpful, please do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.